Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will learn how to make cooler perfume. Friends, as you know, after using cooler for some days, a bad smell starts coming from it. So, to remove bad smell, you should use cooler perfume. By using cooler perfume, a nice fragrance will fill the room. So in this video, I will show you two different ways how to make cooler perfume. Friends, to purchase fragrance, there are two types of fragrance in the market. One is water-based fragrance and the other is oil-based fragrance. So today we will make cooler perfume with both type of fragrance. So please watch full video and don't skip in between the video. Let's go. For making perfume, I have taken an empty bottle. I will make this perfume in this bottle. For that, please purchase water-based perfume from the market. I have taken khus flavor. You can take any flavor according to your choice. You can take mogra, jasmine, rajnikandha, rose, lavender, any whichever you like. Now I am pouring 10 ml perfume in this bottle. Now take denatured alcohol. This is denatured alcohol. It is odorless and it is easily available in the market. It is also called thanda pani. The quantity of denatured alcohol should be 80 ml, means 8 times of fragrance. You can use ethyl alcohol instead of denatured alcohol, or you can use propylene glycol instead of denatured alcohol. The quantity will be the same. At this stage, you can use any color in it, but I am not using it. Now shake it properly. Now your cooler perfume is ready. Isn't it easy? Now I am showing you how to add in water. Think this is water in the cooler. Add few drops of perfume in it. The quantity of perfume depends according to your choice. If the fragrance of perfume is strong, then add less perfume, and if the fragrance of perfume is weak, then you should add more perfume in the water. Now I will show you how to make cooler perfume with the oil-based fragrance. I will make in this bottle. See, different types of oil-based perfumes are available in the market. See, this is synthetic perfume, oil-based perfume. This is another oil-based synthetic perfume. Many different types are available. See, this is another one. See, this is essential oil. Essential oil are very costly, so I am not making with essential oil. The method of making cooler perfume with essential oil is same. See, this is another oil-based perfume. I will make cooler perfume with this fragrance. I love the smell of this fragrance. I am adding 50 ml fragrance in this bottle. See. Now I am adding 50 ml Alfox 200 in it. This is Alfox 200 and it is easily available in the market. At this stage, you can add any color of your choice in it, but I am not adding. Then shake it properly. Now your cooler perfume is ready. Now I have taken a good amount of water in the vessel. Think this is cooler. Now I am adding few drops of perfume in it. This cooler perfume, which is made by oil based fragrance, is very strong and is very concentrated, so only few drops of this perfume is required in the water. This is cooler perfume which is made by water based fragrance. You require a little more quantity in comparison with the other one. This is cooler perfume made from oil based fragrance and it is very strong. Only a few drops of perfume is required to add in water. So friends, try them, and if you find any difficulty in making, you can write down in the comment box. Friends, if you like my video, please click the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon also. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen where all is written on the top. Please press the all button. It is very important to press the all button. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.